Welcome to PrimeScoreX. In this video, we are focusing on truck systems every CDL student must understand: engine, fluids, steering, suspension, tires. The goal is to explain the vehicle systems CDL students must understand for theory, inspection, and real driving. This is not about memorizing isolated facts. It is about understanding the professional decision-making behind the CDL written test and using that understanding to answer questions with confidence. The CDL test does not expect the student to be a mechanic, but it does expect the driver to recognize unsafe conditions. Engine support systems, fluids, steering, suspension, wheels, and tires all affect whether a commercial vehicle is safe to operate. The CDL written test usually rewards the safest legal decision, not the fastest or easiest one. When you study this topic, focus on the reason behind each rule. Ask what danger the rule prevents, what professional habit it builds, and how the wrong answer might create a second hazard. First core idea: fluids and leaks reveal developing failures. Do not treat this as a definition only. Connect it to a real driving situation. The exam may describe the same idea through a scenario, a warning sign, a vehicle condition, or a choice between two actions that both sound reasonable. Second core idea: steering components must be secure and responsive. In CDL questions, wording matters. The answer may depend on whether the vehicle is loaded or empty, moving or stopped, on a downgrade or level road, in normal weather or reduced traction. Always read the situation before choosing the rule. Third core idea: suspension keeps the vehicle stable and supports load control. Strong CDL preparation means connecting cause and effect. A safe driver can explain what happens next if a condition is ignored. That is exactly how many test questions are built. Fourth core idea: tires and wheels connect every safety system to the road. This is where professional judgment matters. The CDL exam is not only checking memory, it is checking whether you can select the action that protects people, equipment, cargo, and your license. Use a repeatable study method. First, study systems by function: move, steer, support, stop, cool, and communicate. Second, learn what a safe condition sounds and looks like. This keeps your study organized and prevents the common mistake of jumping straight into practice questions before the concept is clear. Third, connect each defect to the risk it creates. Fourth, practice explaining defects in simple professional language. The purpose of practice is not only to see whether you were right. The purpose is to understand why the right answer is safe, legal, and professionally defensible. A cracked suspension component or damaged tire is not just a maintenance detail. It can affect control, stopping, stability, and roadside inspection results. The driver must know when a condition is unsafe. When a question appears, do not rush to the answer choices. First, identify the condition: vehicle condition, road condition, traffic condition, driver condition, cargo condition, or legal requirement. Then ask which action reduces risk without creating a new problem. That order protects you from attractive but unsafe answers. A common mistake is saying a part looks fine without describing the safe standard. Another mistake is ignoring small leaks or loose mounts. Both mistakes come from studying too loosely. The fix is to slow down during review and force every answer to connect to a clear rule or safety principle. Another trap is studying inspection terms without connecting them to driving consequences. CDL questions often include small words that change the entire meaning. Watch for first, best, safest, not, except, before, after, loaded, empty, downgrade, and emergency. Before selecting an answer, confirm that you answered the exact question asked. Practice in short, focused sets. After each set, separate wrong answers into categories: content gap, reading error, rule confusion, number error, or judgment error. This turns practice into improvement. Random repetition without correction only repeats the same weakness. You understand this topic when each system name immediately connects to a safety purpose. Use this memory cue: move, cool, steer, support, roll, stop. Keep it simple. The goal is not to memorize a slogan. The goal is to have a quick mental checklist that helps you recognize what the question is really testing. The final takeaway is simple. Study the concept, identify the condition, choose the safest legal action, and review every miss until the pattern improves. That is how CDL theory becomes exam readiness and professional judgment. Study smarter. Score your best.